A child from a very beginning is made to learn new things according to his age. Hence, a year without learning could not be imagined. Thank God, this pandemic occurred in the 21st century, where digital learning is an alternative of classroom learning. Otherwise, the entire student community had to suffer for an entire year. So, we, the students of 11th Humanities, are here to present a digital assembly on the topic Online Learning, a Digital Relief. Let's start with a positive and powerful mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Positive thought makes a positive day. Here comes Gurjas and Jasprit for a thought.
Thought of the day is the online learning can be the lifeline to those who have challenges such as geographical distance. Thank you.
ऑनलाइन शिक्षण उन लोगों के लिए जीवन रेखा स्थित हो सकता है जहां भौगोलिक बाधाएं हैं.
Now you will see Shreyansh on the screen sharing some information regarding the advantages of online learning.
Good morning to all the viewers. Today I, Shreyansh Rathod, is going to deliver a speech on the topic Online Education as an Emerging Trend. Online education is the platform to acquire knowledge via internet. It has given a new dimension to the process of learning. The learning process is becoming quite easier nowadays, as we are aware that the COVID-19 pandemic has left the whole world critically damaged. But thanks to online education, the process of learning is still going on. Apart from the importance in the current scenario, online education has several other advantages too. It is cheap and can be accessed by any student with internet. It is also flexible and one can study online at his or her own speed. And one can also continuously augment and expand the contents through digital means. Having said that, there are still other disadvantages that online education has to face. These are some perennial issues that harm our body and our society. We cannot deny the fact that online education causes great damage to our body. Studying continuously can harm our eyes and cause mental strain. One should avoid screen time for long durations of time and should take a gap of at least 5 minutes in between. There are primarily 3 modes of online education, which are the online mode, the partially online mode and the offline mode respectively. In the online mode, the device is available and the internet connectivity is also available. In the partially online mode, the device is available but the internet connectivity is not available or available with very low bandwidth. In the offline mode, the device is available and the internet connectivity is also not available. The Indian government and the CBSE has also launched various schemes to gap the digital divide in India. The CBSE has launched the Pragyata mission, which aims at proper tracking, reviewing and the processing of online material for the students. At last, I want to thank each one of you for being such a patient listeners.
Students and parents are the best judge as far as the education is concerned. So here we present the compilation of students and parents' view on regarding online education.
I study in University Kuku. The whole world is closed because of coronavirus. So are the schools. Those schools were closed, but education is still on through online classes. I love my online classes. My teacher sends video of rhymes, stories, art and craft, aerobics, and many more. I enjoy a lot. I thank my teachers for putting in lot of effort for teaching us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Puneet. My daughter Nadar Malwa studies in class 2. I just had a few thoughts to share on online classes during lockdown. The state of lockdown that the country, or for that matter the whole world is facing today, is totally unprecedented. It has never happened before. And therefore, everyone is learning to adapt in the best way possible. At such times, online classes are a boon to ensure our children don't miss on their learning, don't lose an academic year, and most importantly, they stay safe. Online classes happen in a safe, familiar environment for the child, at home. They are time efficient, limiting movement and commute. Time can be better utilized. Sessions can be shared with a much broader audience and recorded as well to refer to later. I think it's the best efficient solution we found in these times and for later too. So thank you to the effort of the teachers to make this happen successfully every day.
Hello everyone, myself Sanya Gambhir. I am mother of Kanab Gambhir. He studies in grade 2, Amenity Public School. I am sharing few thoughts on online classes during the lockdown. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, there is lockdown in all over the world. Due to this, schools are off and kids were not able to study. I would like to thank Amenity team for bringing technology at home and making learning easy for the kids. I believe it's a great initiative taken by the school. It's great that interactive classes are being regularly taken by the teachers. Since the kids were promoted to the new class during the corona outbreak, there was everything new to them. Teachers are making them comfortable by providing online videos, PDF documents, worksheets, and written notes. Kids also enjoy and learn at the same time by watching topic-related videos. In fact, they are engaged in the creative activities too on every Saturday, along with physical well-being regularly made possible by sending aerobic workouts. Big thanks to the teachers who are making tremendous efforts by providing study material through online classes. Kids are able to do their work by the guidance of the teachers. My son looks forward daily for his morning classes. He feels so happy while interacting with the teachers and his friends. I think it's a great idea during the lockdown period, being at school online while at home in the safe environment. Thank you, Amenity, once again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
It is a not filling of bucket, it is a lightning of flame. So you might be irritated from the online schools. But have you ever thought what would happen if online schools are not there? You will be bored. So I am here to tell you some advantages of online schools. First, easy attendance. I know that all of you might be attending your class while sitting on a couch. Friends, we used to play games for hours on our mobile phones. But now we are making that time productive. Third advantage is we are getting technical knowledge. So to conclude, I would just say online learning is definitely beneficial. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vidya Agnihotri from class 5th C. Today I am here to share my experience about online classes. Due to this pandemic, everything came into a standstill, but as soon as the online classes started, my life came into a routine. I enjoy learning through them and make 100% out of it. I really appreciate my teachers and the school which brought us out of this stressful situation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everybody, my name is Anushka Kapoor and I am going to speak few lines on benefit of online learning. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed education dramatically. During this adverse time where everything was at a halt, e-learning and online networking made the impossible task possible by making it feasible for many students to learn at their home. It not only focuses on academics but also on various extracurricular activities. Online classes saves a lot of time as we need not to travel far distances to attend the classes. It has kept the students in healthy state of mind and also keep them happy and active too. Although it has brought major changes in the students' life, the students are still trying to adjust to the change with no compromise in education. Thank you.
Open fields, beautiful grasslands, amusing flowers, and those big parks can just be seen sitting behind the window. Good to the day to everyone. Today I, Megha Arora of class 8D, is here to present my personal views on the topic online classes. During this whole pandemic situation, everyone's lives have stopped, but the online classes have started and are going on really well, which is a bang on at this moment. Because without these classes, our enthusiastic and attentive brains would have to cease for some time. For me, life without online classes would be very surrounded by boredom and be very flat without a routine definitely. If in this situation, I am capable of enjoying those facilities and amenities and at the same time cope up with my studies without any worries, without any sort of worries of academic calendar is really very satisfying. And all the credits for these appliances goes to our teachers and school. So thus ending, according to me, online class is the best bet during this lockdown situation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyotsna Singh and I study in class 10th. Next year I will be giving my boards and I'm very nervous because right now I'm staying at home, no teachers, no blackboard, no smart classes, all because of this coronavirus. But you know what, our government has given us the best opportunity to interact with the teachers so that we can understand each and every concept, so that we can complete our syllabus and we should not have any doubt about our boards, because we have to do best in our boards, But you know what, some students, some children are just wasting their time in playing PUBG, Counter-Strike or etc., or they are just sleeping, eating. We should not do that. We should just utilize this time for our studies, especially because boards are very important for us. I hope we all will do our best and we will make our teachers and parents proud.
So, as you witness how students and parents are full of positive words regarding online learning, it really is a relief for students that they are still connected to the world of education through online media. We also want to appreciate each and every teacher all around the world for their uncountable effort in transmitting all the required resources to the student through online mode. Our heartfelt gratitude to the school authority for providing us this opportunity to come forward and present this digital assembly. We would also like to thank our class teacher Miss Ambali for guiding us. Thank you.
Greetings of the day to one and all viewing this. I feel immensely proud to say that students of 11th Humanities did a great job in compiling this video. I would also like to appreciate the efforts of each parent and student who provided us a positive feedback of online classes and made our assembly a success. Well, the topic of our assembly is online learning, the new trend of education, which started with the COVID-19 pandemic. Well, online learning is nothing new. Earlier, it was used to impart distant education in the college level students. This method of education is being used throughout the world to ensure that students are being provided with all the required material. Though online learning cannot be compared with the classroom learning, but it is at least keeping the students connected with the school during this crisis. Through this assembly, we wish that all of you now see a positive side of the online learning. Hope our assembly was informative in its own manner.
Thank you so much and have a nice day.